Hapo walikuwa wamepanga mikutano yote, nikienda wanatafuta vijana wa Kikuyu wale hawana kazi, wanapewa pesa, wanakuja wanafuruga mkutano, alafu vijana wetu wanapigana na hawa, alafu sasa rais na watu yake wanacheka pale, wanasema hii ni Wakikuyu wanafanya nini? Sisi tungetaka tuseme, tafadhali hii jamii iheshimiwe. Sisi tulikupatia kura ukakuwa rais. Hata kama hutaki kutufanyia kazi, hata kama hutaki kutusaidia, wacha kupiganisha watu wetu. Wachana na sisi tukae vile tuko. Na mimi nataka kuomba vijana wetu, tafadhali msitumike kupiga ndugu yako. Msitumike kupiga dada yako. Mimi najua hamuna kazi, ni kweli, lakini msipewe pesa kwenda kutoa fujo. Na hii maneno yote tunaelewa ile naendelea ni ya kupiganisha hii jamii. Wamepiganisha viongozi, sasa walikuwa wanataka kupiganisha vijana. Kwa hivyo tujihadhari, tusitumiwe vibaya. And I would like to ask the Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kaja. He's a man from here, mti hapa nyumbani. Wewe unajua hao watu walitupiga. Picha zao ziko. Most of them have criminal records. Why are you not arresting them and taking them to court? We know, of course, because walipangwa na serikali. Lakini siku moja Bwana Kaja utajibu hiyo swali. One day. These people who attacked innocent people, wakaumiza wananchi, wanazurula kila pahali na wanajulikana. Alafu mnakuja kushika Karongo Dhangwa, Peter Mwathi, watu ambaye hawahusiki. Wale walipigwa na wale waliwapiga wanaendelea kutembea. And we know ilikuwa ni mpango atimtumie Wakikuyu kupiga Wakikuyu, ndio rais na watu yake pale wacheke kusema hii ni Wakikuyu wanapigana. This community has been misused and it's okay. But let me say this, because I have seen a lot of analysts, a lot of commentators trying to come up with many theories about the people of this region called Mount Kenya. Let me help you a little bit. It is true what you are saying, the mountain is angry. It is not just angry, it is very angry. Why the mountain is very angry is because of betrayal. The mountain has not only been betrayed, but humiliated and ashamed. For your analysis, let me educate you a little bit, because most of you do not know as well. Even those who are betrayed and humiliated the community do not know as well. They are just beneficiaries of our kindness, but they don't know us. In this region, betrayal. We hate betrayal. Betrayal in this community is a taboo. It is an abomination. And it's one act against this community that is never forgiven. And once you do it, there is no remedy. The matter is closed. The mountain has moved on, though humiliated and in shame. But the matter is settled. There is no remedy. So those analysts who are trying to analyze what will happen, that is now the answer for you. And because we are here, time will tell. Time will tell. We as a region, we are saying, we have been humiliated, we have been ashamed, our dignity has been defiled, our pride has been deflated, lakini tutajipanga. Within a short time, we will claim back our pride and dignity as a people. Kaatiguo. Eni. Nejo goro cia nyune cina mete. Nejo muri ature muno. Muhorere. gutire mbura tekaga atia na kahinda ni ga gukinya ora ndiramurire mukire ki neguo ungikihiukirwo ri oigwe ndungihota gukiririo kaina ki ni maranegena ati ni kurainwo muno kurainwo kundu guo uguo no guo twaikaraga nginya hindi ya mau twaragia na nyimbo muthie na mbere na kuina muine ara makuina cia kigoco tiga Ngai wari mwena wakwa mwathie na mbere mwathani wihoke mwathani rugendo-ini mugathie na ki ara makwenda kuina kwa wainga ndigeka atia muthie na mbere ara makwenda kuina kuu makaina Kirinyaga ya Itunga nyimbo ni nyingi nici kwanza hindi no yathi guku nyimbo andu maine andu aya matituĩ wega matuonete utuku matituĩ wega matuonete ki matuonete utuku tutire na uru na mundu sisi nauliza tu heshima kama jamii hapana kutukana sisi na kuita sisi wa kabila sisi hatuna ukabila kwa sababu tulikupigia kura na wewe hukuwa mtu ya kabila hii hiyo ni thihirisho kamili sisi hapana wa kabila hapana tafuta marafiki yako wapya kutukana sisi kwa mikutano kutuita sisi ni wa kabila wewe kitu kia mundu inyo murite muachana na sisi chukueni kiti fanyeni vile mnataka lakini wacheni kutukana jamii you know if nothing else respect this community for their kindness towards you just respect them you don't have to do anything else just respect these people huko na marafiki wapya kazi yako ni kupeleka hao mikutano kututukana na kusomea hii jamii na kusema vile sisi tuko wajinga na nini na mambo kama hayo ni sawa tu pia tunataka kuuliza hakuna haja ya kutukana raia hao wananchi wakitoa maoni yao wewe sikiza tu hata kama upendi hakuna haja kusema wako na mapepo kwa sababu hakuna haja there's no need nyinyi mko na mapepo sasa hakuna haja kama ni maneno ya ng'ombe unasema hii watu ni stupid nini hakuna haja kutukana watu this is not necessary especially watu ambaye walikupatia kazi wakakupatia kura wakakufanya mema wakakufanya mfalme there is no need to abuse the people of Kenya just listen to what they are saying if you don't like it is okay but there is no need to abuse the people of Kenya hata juzi naona wahubiri wanatukano ati wengine hawajasoma sasa some of us have no capacity to know yule mhubiri amesoma na hajasoma sisi tunasikiza neno ile tumesikiza hapa hawa wamesoma hapa bado soma basi hiyo tu there is no need to be abusive there is no need to use vulgar language just respect the people of Kenya because it's the right thing to do niene joketie gatho muno andu amukuru-ini ni mujumbe ura mwathurire Kagucia tondu ni amuthikiriirie agikia kura ya mana kihoto na agitia wendo wanyu muhundira irohi na ni matishitwo muno na makaheo mbeca akirega kugura guoya na president we mwene niwe wa matishaga akiheo mbeca akirega kwendia ruriri akirega kuhangira nda yake ucio ni utongoria mwega nekire wendi wanyu katiguo ari angi aguku guothe Nyeri 200,000 2,300 akendia ruriri akendia andu ao na mangiheo mbeca mendie nyina ni makumwendia mundu agacoka agakorwo hakiri ciake ni anengerire William Ruto amukuage ni tumakite no ni tuguthondeka turacokire kumenya ona giti kiu kire na tikio kibata ite ici cia bunge ni cio bururi ringi yurage kiaga mundu mugithura turikaraga thĩ tukamba kurora no katiguo tukarora kari ari gathakame ka ngati katiguo kana gakunda ngutu tondu athara ria tuonete ta nyumba ĩno ni twathuririe andu a kuhangira nda ciao barabara cia mau ni ciarugamire Wamera mathii magetie bara cia mau gwa president makaheo mundu ngirigara makainuka. Wamera twariria rumia kahua marahangira nda. Ucio niguo mutino tuonete munene muno. Koguo rende gwire tukwaria January. Twebange ta nyumba tumenye atongoria tutanathura tutanamurehera muthure ni gicungi kiriko turi huthagira tugacunga karia gagukira hare thiini mukoya mugatuthurira nigetha muthenya ungi tutigekora irima ria ki turi tondu irima riu twikitio ni atongoria aitu ati turateithagio ni atongoria ikamba aitu mahetwo mbeca no nao kai makioreta kanyori wa ng'ethei gutiri uri wainuka maikara ona Nairobi riu me Mombasa riu maikara oku ithe mutigucaria andu angi a wira na thiko icio tigarite ndi nyingi mutikamake miaka iri na nuthu twarikio wa 25 ri 26 ri tucoke kiharo nigetha tucaria atongoria ega andu mangihokeka na andu maramenyeka matingeendia ruriri andu maramenyeka no marugame na murugamo na ni andu matangigurwo na mbeca tondu ucio niguo mutino na twinaguo munene muno ni nguonda gucokeria governor wa Nyeri Mutahi wa Kahiga ngatho ni murugamo wake uyu governor arugamite akagaria nginya gutishwo ni akuhingurwo macira akarugama na andu ao na governor uyu kahinda gakinya ithu mutigake mwiciria njoke MCA ya Nyeri oko ni kuri itungati cia bururi MCA ya Nyeri 44 tigene ta tatu akuhagira nda ciao bau 2 or 3 adu akuda gutume ayage all the 41 ni itungati na ma MCA maya kahinda gakija mukamarora wega ara magakorwo makinyitie ikiro mumambatirie ara magakorwo matakinyitie mumakindire na ni tukamwira ni tukamuhe report card uguo governor uga ya itungati mugakorwo mukiheo certificate ya itungati o kana kwi muingi naguo muingi uga confirm kane guo ithe andu ari mutima menyete kwi mundu ru mutoi utire mundu mutoi tondu athara ira twathie ta community twaga barabara twaga mai twaga anything twarihio magoti ni tondu twathurire andu akuhangira nda ciao andu acia kwa 74 akuma gitaro giki kogo ni metikagira kunjigwa matige kuhangira nda ciao tungira koraga president tukamwira turenda giki gikahinga Raila na andu ake 60 aretirie ma minister matano aranengerwo na kirege othetagia ni anengera tondu andu ake methutha wao aya itu magetirwo mbeca magatigana na ite magatigana na barabara magatigana na mai mundu akahagira nda yao no munyaka uguo kagucia augire twina amina tinene no ni njega twina njamba ciganona cia ruriri guku riu Nyeri twina Kahiga twina mundu ugwitwo Kagucia twina speaker ugwitwo Gichuhi na ma MCA maya acio na iganu kurugamirira andu guku Nyeri na mutikage na wasiwasi koguo nigukokerere bihwaine na muguthikiriria tuhutie mere matatu no horo ne January na nietinie the people of the Mount Kenya region don't follow a leader. It is the leaders who follow what the people want. So what I'm doing is to listen what you want. I will be making an announcement as to what you want. Diga koroni egigora dereda. Guthikiriria na nithikiririe muno. Na no ndirakeigua maundu maingi. Ngaigua kwi matua matuitwo marithu muno. Ngaigua ke makinjira matigacokia kara hara wekire atia. Ngaigua ke makinjira tutingitahe kana tucoke turie matahe. Ngaigua ke makinjira gwika mahitia ti uru uru gucoke. Ni to ndiragithikiriria. No ndirathie ngioyaga muhwa ngithikiriria andu aloi tok andu alamu guthikiriria riu gatagate kandi thembe no na kiumia kia mbere na gia keri kiumia gia gatatu tumeke analysis kiumia gia kana ndimutangathire uria nyumba eno ya njatha ndimwire mwetikania tuge guthie gucoka naki mwe tayari January mwe tayari Nani ambie watu wale wajui. This community, this one, does not follow anybody. It is leaders who follow the people and align with their aspirations and what they want. And what I'm doing is just coalescing views among the people. I will just be making an announcement to the rest as to what the people of this region want about their future. Na nitukwivanga wega tondu nitwehingicire muno. Na ndina mahitia maingi muno ora inyu muri onamo. Ona hunjia aya mari onamo. Gutire mundu tari na mahitia. Makwa ndimo maingi muno. Kwi handu ndamuhingicire kuri maundu agiru ni gwikana ndiekire. Kigitikia mundu muno tondu ni wakirikaniro. Riu macio ni tukurunga. Muthenya ungi yuraga ikiaga. Gutire mundu tugetikia. Ona ngioka na Bible tigia kwarirwe na kora. Ithuĩ tũrĩroraga mũndũ tũgatuĩria history yake kuma gũciarwo nginya kũrĩa. Tondũ haha twekora irima rĩrĩ twarutire wĩra na ũkristiano. Tũithuĩ nĩtwendete Ngai mũno rĩ. Tũkĩona mũndũ wothe rauga nĩ mũkristo nĩ mũndũ mwe. No mahĩtia macio mothe nĩ maitũ. Ũguo ũru nĩ gũcokera nĩ tũkũrũnga tũthiĩte mbere. Tũine tũgĩtwĩkĩre rwĩmbo rũmwe hau. Jina Gachagua nĩ ũkũgeithia. Ndĩmũkwenda Jina Gachagua mũgeithie. Ũkũgeithia andũ aya. No tũcarĩrie Jesũ nyendete twarĩkia Jina Gachagua rĩkia kwaria tũine Jesũ nyendete.
Bwana asifiwe. Bwana asifiwe. Geithia ina moko ndimone.